Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Check. Yeah. Don't ask me why again, we tried again and didn't feel the same. The plans was nicking up the diagram. Winter overseas, I got some bags that need acquiring. We used to get cash, the checks bigger so they wire them. Plug talk, fuck the middleman, bring the supplier in. From Italy to Ireland as part of the requirements. Could've joined a union, Kid Andrew turned to fireman. But I'm still doing fire shit, adapt to my environment. And now I'm up so high and I ain't coming down for no man. Oh shit, keep it rolling, stuck in the motion. Tell them stick to the program, get kicked like Vince. Your old boss has got no chance. I got both hands wrapped around the game in a choke slam. It turned me from a kid into a grown man. I got my stripes earned, battle tested, mics burned. It takes time being big body, making wide turns. So I'ma get there when the tides turn. Stare at the sky until my eyes burn. Lil Jesse was a little baby, now it's my turn. Excuse the lack of kind words. Try to treat me like an outsider, I'm the outlier. Peel the wig off these pussies if they doubt fire. I'ma get rich off this even if my mouth wired. Till the wheels burn no matter how tired. When you alive, they act very phony, then crying at your ceremony. Stretch wings, been an OG like Ananobi. Y'all fake views, fake likes, and fake spammed emojis. These A&Rs sound the same, but now they can't control me. You see me mobbing outside, you pussies can't approach me, or you'll be finished grossly. My little spirit girl with crystals trying to stick and poke me, but I just stick and move in the field like Aunt Volpe. They can't hold me, hustle like I bag groceries. Bad hope be on me, then get mad lonely. Cause I ain't getting too attached, I'm trying to grab trophies. And anything that's in the way, just getting gas, Brody. Hey, try to treat me like the outsider, I'm the outlier. Peel the wig off these pussies if they doubt fire. I'ma get rich off this even with a mouth wire. Till the wheels burn no matter how tired. Yeah. Straight like that. Tight shit. No baggage, I'm boarding the plane. Leaving everything bad in the rearview and taking whatever remains. Whatever been good for my spirit, the rest I've been setting ablaze. Burning it down to the ground, I started refreshing the page. Till I rest in the grave, I'm making a mark and etching my name. I get it, you feeling the way, but when you try throwing your shade, we throwing grenades. Growing with pain to help me turn into the man I became. I'm better with age, forever the era, I cherish the phase. But some things are better left back in the days. We started a wave, then parted away. A part of me feel like it's part of the game. The parties don't hit like they used to, it's cool. We did it already, it's hard to complain. I got no agendas and plans that mean more to me nowadays. It started to sway, the way that I look at the world. I'm only in places with putting my heart on display. My heart on my sleeve, the blood on the leaves. Been working to sharpen the blade. The darker the day, the brighter it is. When you find a way out the part that decayed. Dimming the light, but you gotta fight when you feel it starting to fade. Don't cover the blind, cause how can you shine if you keep a star in the shade? Hey. Look how far that we came. Hey. Gone away, flown away, gone away, flown away.